Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make sweet bundis which are made out of chickpea flour and sugar syrup. In this video I'm gonna share all the tips and tricks to make perfect round bundis. So watch this video till the end and let's move on to the recipe. Into a mixing bowl add 1 cup of besan. Add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda into it. And now sift the mixture. Add water little bit at a time and make smooth batter out of it. Do not add all the water at a time. Add little by little and keep on mixing. I still need another 2 tablespoons of more water, so I'm gonna add it. You can see the consistency. This is what we are looking for. To make perfect bundis, the batter should be light, so let's check the batter consistency. As you can see, the batter is settling into the water. That means still our batter is not ready to make bundis. To make the batter light, beat the batter using electric mixer. You can also use hand whisk here. After 2 to 3 minutes of beating, let's check the batter consistency now. As you can see, our batter has started floating on the water. So that means our batter is ready. You can see the difference between two batters. You will also notice that the batter is light in color than earlier. And now let's make the bundis. Oil is hot and the flame I have kept on medium. The first thing we have to keep in mind while making bundis is the position of our bundi jara. If it is near to the oil, the bundis will stick to each other, and if it is too high, then you will get the bundis with tail. So keep the ladle not too high and not too close to the oil. Take a spoonful of batter and pour the batter onto the jara. As you can see, we are getting nice and round bundis. The another thing you need to keep in mind is don't move jara while making bundis. Fry the bundis for about 30 to 40 seconds. Don't overcook. After about 40 seconds, take out the bundis onto a kitchen towel. For the next batch, wipe off the ladle and repeat the same process. If you don't wipe the ladle after each batch, then bundi won't be round. In similar manner, make rest of the batches. As you can see, all the bundis are nice and round. And now let's make the sugar syrup for bundis. Take 1 cup of sugar into a white pan and add 1 cup of water. Let the sugar syrup dissolve, then let it boil. We are not looking for any string consistency here. We just want a consistency like honey or oil. Now take little amount between your finger and check the consistency. It should be sticky. If so, add cardamom powder, a dash of orange food color and turn off the stove. Next, add all the fried bundis into it and mix it well. Now close the lid and let it sit until all the sugar syrup is soaked into the bundis. You have to let it sit for at least 3 to 4 hours, but I prefer overnight. Next day, as you can see, all the bundis have soaked sugar syrup. And now it's time to serve it. Garnish it with some sliced almonds and pistachios, and our bundis are ready to serve. If you like this video, then don't forget to give thumbs up to video and don't forget to share your suggestions and comments in the comment section box below. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.